So another example of a state function is altitude, for example, on a mountain. So if you're talking about altitude, you go from point A to point B on the mountain, and it doesn't matter how you got there. You could have climbed all the way up to the top of the mountain, then went back down and eventually landed on point B, or you could have gone straight from point A to point B. The change in altitude between point A and point B do not depend on the path. They're independent of path. So this difference right here does not matter on how you got there. It does not make a difference how you got there. Altitude is a state function. So similarly, we can say that enthalpy is a state function as well. If we're talking about reaction A here, which has our reactants going to our products into B here, it doesn't matter how we got there. We can actually calculate the change in enthalpy at all different points here. All that we actually have to worry about at the end of the day is the difference between A and B. So that's what we mean by state function. We're not going to have a chance to get to fully explaining the consequence of this, which is Hess's law, which allows us to add and subtract different reactions.